Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is September 29th, 2024, and we have a lineup of intriguing stories from the world of Apple technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. In a significant legal development, Magistrate Judge Thomas S. Hickson has denied Apple's request for an extension to produce 1.3 million documents related to its App Store policy changes. The deadline remains firm at September 30th, 2024. This decision is part of the ongoing legal battle with Epic Games, which began with a 2021 court order mandating Apple to modify its App Store practices. Judge Hickson criticized Apple for its last-minute request, calling it bad behavior, and questioning the company's claim of being surprised by the document volume. He emphasized that Apple, with its vast resources, should be able to meet the deadline, highlighting concerns about Apple's compliance and transparency. For those interested in retro computing, a comprehensive guide has been released on creating pixel art for the Apple II. The guide humorously acknowledges the challenges posed by the Apple II's technical limitations, such as NTSC color issues. It categorizes graphic modes from simple monochrome to more complex color modes, offering detailed descriptions and examples. The guide also provides tips on avoiding common pitfalls and includes visual examples from both emulators and real hardware. Advanced modes like double high-res are also covered, making this a valuable resource for pixel art enthusiasts. Apple has updated its list of supported Macs, marking several models, including the 2016 MacBook and 2015-2016 MacBook Pro, as obsolete. This means these models will no longer receive hardware service, except for batteries. Critics argue that this move pressures customers to upgrade, despite many older Macs still being functional. The introduction of T2 security chips and serialization complicates repairs, limiting options to authorized services. This debate underscores the tension between consumer rights and corporate practices in the tech industry. In another legal update, Apple is under pressure to produce over 1 million documents by September 30th, as part of its ongoing dispute with Epic Games. Judge Hickson has denied Apple's request for more time, emphasizing the company's responsibility to meet the deadline. This stems from a court order requiring Apple to relax its App Store rules. Despite Apple's claims of needing more time due to unexpected document volume, the judge criticized the company for its late announcement, suggesting that Apple could have managed the task given its capabilities. An ex-Apple employee has shared their experiences working on the Swift team, detailing both positive and negative aspects that led to their departure. While they appreciated the mentorship and team camaraderie, they faced challenges with open-source contributions and diversity initiatives. Issues with pay transparency and Apple's hybrid return-to-office policy also contributed to their decision to leave for a more supportive environment at SourceGraph. The account highlights the importance of workplace culture and transparency. The European Commission has announced the first signatories to the AI Pact, an initiative encouraging companies to make voluntary AI use pledges. While major tech firms like Amazon and Google have signed, Apple and Meta are notably absent. The AI Pact aims to bridge the gap until the EU's AI Act is fully implemented. Companies are encouraged to adopt AI governance strategies and report progress annually. The absence of some major players raises questions about the Pact's significance. A recent analysis reveals that Apple has removed over 50 VPN apps from its Russia App Store, far more than the 25 reported by Russia's communications regulator. This brings the total unavailable VPN apps to 98, suggesting a larger scale of removals. Major VPN providers like NordVPN have been affected, limiting Russian users' access to secure communication tools. The findings raise concerns about transparency and accountability in app removal policies. The A2 DVI is a new digital video card for the Apple II, designed to connect the vintage computer to modern displays via HDMI. Created by Raleigh Palavev, the card uses a Pico microcontroller to generate a digital video stream. It supports all standard Apple II video modes and includes dual language support for European models. The project is nearing completion, with testing underway, and represents a significant advancement in preserving the functionality of classic Apple II systems. Smirk is a new mobile app allowing users to create and share games using photos, text, and 3D objects. The app features a game editor with templates and a library of 3D objects, enabling users to design personalized games. The latest update includes new objects and templates, and the app is free to download for iOS 16.4 or later. Smirk offers a creative platform for storytelling and gaming, with privacy practices involving user data collection. Apple's new check-in feature in iOS 17 has left users puzzled, as it suggests sharing locations with unexpected contacts, including ex-partners and deceased relatives. Users have shared their bewilderment on social media, highlighting potential flaws in the feature's algorithm. The check-in feature has sparked a mix of humor and concern, underscoring issues with how technology interprets personal connections. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay informed and stay connected.